Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happenings totally, generally all around the world. So all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post so that you can get updated. Okay? Stay glued to this channel. We love you.
And so, on behalf of all of us, I'm tendering this apology. I particularly, on behalf of Wali and Dave, Your Excellency, I need you.
Everyone knows that this job, I am doing it with every iota of sincerity of purpose in me. I continue to ensure that I'm guided by all the promises that I made in the course of my journey to God.